Guys, you're wondering why your Toyota Wish, Premier, Allion, Yaris, Corolla AC blowing hot? I'm gonna tell you in this video. Remember, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you will never miss a video. So guys, today we are working on this 2009 Toyota Wish. We removed the solenoid compressor off it, and we are converting a clutch Toyota compressor. We already removed the compressor that was on it, and this is the clutch compressor that we're going to install. So guys, this compressor, I'm going to tell you exactly how it works. When the AC turn on, the coil energize and cause a magnetic field to make the clutch face lock on the pulley, and that's how inside of the compressor spin and pump the refrigeration. And I also going to show you the solenoid compressor. Guys, this is the compressor that causes your AC to blow hot and cold. It's the solenoid compressor, and this is the solenoid valve that create the compression in the compressor. So guys, this also bring a pulley on it, but it don't bring a clutch like the one that I showed you before. It's just an all-in-one, everything spin together. And when the AC turn on, current go to the solenoid valve and it create the compression, as I said. So this is the compressor that gives the most trouble on most Toyota vehicle. Also, they give trouble on the BMW and the Mercedes Benz, the RD. But you know, Jamaica have a lot of Toyota vehicle here, so you know, work on them more. So guys, we finished fit up the compressor and regas the system. So I'm just gonna show you it now. And that's the compressor there. AC also cycling. And also you can see the AC pipe touching a lot of water. It's gonna check inside now. AC blowing cold. Remember guys to like and share the video. So guys, that's it. Until next time, stay safe.